No, this is application number 5. P is any point inside the parallelogram ABCD. Let me prove that area of triangular region APD plus area of the triangular region BPC equal to half into area of the shape of the parallelogram ABCD. So now the diagram should be like this. So this is the diagram. A, B, C, D. P is any point inside the parallelogram. So therefore we see this is the point P. So we have to prove that this triangle APB plus triangle PBC equal to half of the parallelogram ABCD. Now, first of all, we have to draw a construction. Which construction? Through the point P, we have to draw a parallel line which is parallel to AD and parallel to BC. These are parallelogram. These two are parallels. So therefore, if we draw a parallel line of AD, it also the parallel line of BC. So therefore, this is the parallel line. So name that this is F and this is E. Now we know the previous theorem 24, when a triangle and any parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, the area of the triangle is half the area of the parallelogram. So therefore you see in this diagram, triangle APD equal to half of parallelogram AEFD. This triangle APD and this parallelogram both are in the same base and same parallels. Therefore, the triangle area of the triangle equal to half of the area of the parallelogram. I write that. And the second thing is triangle PBC equal to half of the parallelogram of the EBCF. This is triangle PBC and this is the parallelogram EBCF. Both are in the same base BC and same parallels. Here I just discuss these things, just writing the most important lines, but you have to write in this manner, like in quadrilateral AEFD, AD parallel to EF and AF parallel to DF. I just here write the most important lines. So you have to know the main important things, how to prove that. This is the key things, key factor. So therefore, if this and these two things and given, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, if we add this, so therefore we get this triangle plus this triangle, triangle APD plus triangle PBC. From both these we can common take half, because here half also given and here half also given. So therefore if half is given, so parallelogram AEFD plus parallelogram EBCF. You see one thing, AEFD and EBCF, this is all total parallelogram ABCD. So therefore half of the parallelogram ABCD. So now this is proof. Very important sum, because through this type of sums, most importantly short question, short answer type question, MCQ type questions is given. So first of all, this sum is very important. And one more thing, this application type of sum and this theorem you have to write in your classwork copy with proper diagram and with proper writing procedure, like given, to prove, construction, proof. This is a 3 marks question. It's a lengthy question, but you have to write all of these things. This application number 6, it's also important. In an isosceles triangle ABC, of which AB equal to AC, O is any point on side BC, the perpendicular distance of sides AB and BC from the point O are OP and OQ respectively. If perpendicular length is BD on side AC, let's prove that OP plus OQ equal to BD. What is given? First given is, it's a triangle ABC. Okay, this is an isosceles triangle which AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC. This is given. AB equal to AC. This is given. Now from point O, the perpendicular distance of AB and AC is OP and OQ. Its perpendicular distance means it's OP perpendicular on AB and OQ perpendicular on AC. And perpendicular BD is also perpendicular on AC. BD is also perpendicular on AC. We have to prove that OP plus OQ, we have to prove that OP plus OQ equal to BD. We have to prove that. Now, first of all, area of, this is the proof, area of triangle ABC. I said once more, this is very important. Here I have to draw the diagram and also discuss the main important things. You have to go through this. This is the statement, given, to prove, construction, proof, in this manner and also in this writing style. Okay, I just here clear all of your doubts. Okay, now so area of ABC equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle AOC. This is total triangle ABC, AOB plus AOC. If we add this, we get area of triangle ABC. So now BD is perpendicular on AC. So therefore BD is perpendicular on AC. So therefore if we want to know the area of triangle ABC is half into base into height, half into base into height. So therefore we can write area of triangle ABC equal to half into base means AC and height means its height is BD. Why? BD is perpendicular to AC. We know that. Half into AC into BD. Area of triangle AOB, half into, this is the base AB and perpendicular OP, half into AB into OP plus area of triangle AOC, same here, half into AC into OQ, OQ perpendicular on AC. So here half into AC into BD, take common, half AB into OP plus AC into OQ. Half. Now we know the AB equal to AC. So therefore through the AB we can write AC into OP plus AC into OQ. half into AC into BD, half. From these two we can take common AC, and the remaining is OP plus OQ. Eliminating half and half, AC and AC, we get BD equal to OP plus OQ. So therefore the proof OP plus OQ equal to BD, we have proved here OP plus OQ equal to BD. Okay.